Give me a minute, and let me tell you his story. After achieving his freedom at the end of the Civil War, Booker Teleferro Washington became one of the most famous Black American leaders, authors, and educators in the country. He was the last generation born into slavery and lived through the Reconstruction era, as the freedoms gained during the war were systematically replaced with a regime of extreme political violence, racism, and legal discrimination. Booker T. Washington was an expert in political maneuvering and worked to help uplift his race in the ways that he believed were best: education and economic development. He helped to establish more than 5,000 schoolhouses for Black children across the South, and in 1900, Washington established the National Negro Business League. He also wrote 14 influential books, including his autobiography, Up From Slavery. Perhaps Washington's greatest legacy is Alabama's historic university, the Tuskegee Institute, which he founded in 1882 and led until his death in 1915. I'm James Edward Mills of the Joy Chip Project, and this has been an Unhidden Minute.